Hello everybody, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making jalapeno cornbread. And I'll be using some peppers. These are some that I brought from the south also. I have a cast iron pan that I buttered well. I have 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/3 cup of milk. I have 1 egg. I have some mild cheddar, a can of sweet whole corn, and some cornbread muffin mix. I was going to make it from scratch, and then I thought, why not use this? It's quicker and it's easier. I also have a strainer because I'm going to strain the corn with my little knife because we're going to have to take the seeds out of the pepper. Okay, of course we're not going to use all of these, and these I grew on my back porch. Pretty good, huh? These are mild peppers, though. Okay, I'm going to slice them in half. And see the seeds inside? I'm going to take those out. Let's try it like this. There you go. Whatever's easier for you, that's how you do it. The seeds keeps it from being really hot. If you want something to be spicy, then you use the seeds. Okay, I'm going to do a few of these and slice them up. Okay, see, I've cleaned those out. And these are really hot, so if you don't like really hot, you better get you some mild ones. These are nothing to play with. They burnt my tongue before I even got close to my tongue. I'm going to slice them pretty small. See how small I... And that's what I'm going to do to the rest of these. Okay, I cut them up like this, and I'm going to set them aside. And make sure you wash your hands, because if you don't and you stick your hands in your face or in your eyes or something, you will regret it. Okay, I have my oven preheating at 400. And we're going to just mix our cornbread together and pretty much just follow the instructions on the back. I like the Betty Crocker too. There you go. Let me put some cheese in here. And then measure it. I'm just going to take so much because it's a small package. And I'm going to add some of these peppers in. I don't think I'm going to use all of them. Well, we'll see. I'm entitled to change my mind. Let me see. I'm going to add my egg in. Try not to get shells in. I've melted my 2 tablespoons of butter. In you go. 1/3 cup of milk. And some corn. See, I've drained it. Let's see. We may want more. We'll see. stir that. And I told you I used a cast iron pan. And I buttered it really well. And with this, you'll probably just need a piece of meat if you want some meat. Something baked or something fried, or not at all. None at all. You have your bread and a few veggies in here. You have some cheddar. And that should be about it right there. Mix it well. And my oven isn't ready yet. I'm going to and we're going to cook it for about 20 minutes, give or take a minute or so. And it's nice and brown and ready to go. Just spreading it out a little. Shake, shake, shake. There we go. And as soon as the oven gets ready, we're going in. First, I'm going to add a few little sprinkly dinks of cheddar. Cheddar always makes the meal better. Yep, there you go. A little bit more here. And that's enough. Don't forget to set your timer. What I didn't use, I just put in the bag. The jalapenos and the corn, and I'm just going to throw them in the freezer for the next batch. So here it is out of the oven. I've let it cool for about 10 minutes. And let's cut it and see what this is going to be about. Oh, it's still so hot. Hold on. I usually like to wait till it gets really cool. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a cut. Timer's still on. Whoops. Looks pretty good. You see the piece that fell off? You see the cheese in it and the jalapenos. And the corn is in there too, don't forget. And there you have it. Jalapeno cornbread. Don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Well, until next time, that's it and that's all. Later. Let's set up. Give it a taste. Pretty good.